Greetings, Earthlings!
You got a basket full of Tsum Tsum.
I got a basket full of Tsumtsums, and I
And
got a
sunshine?
basket full of Tsumtsums. I got a pocket full of wine shine, which is what Greg has done with sweatpants before. He put a whole bottle of wine in his pocket, and I was never prouder to have him as my friend. So in here, we have Series 2 and Series 3 of the Disney collectible plushes. These,
I wonder who you want from Series 3.
yes. So as I go through them, I will tell you what series they are. So there's only one Series 3. I think the rest are Series 2. So we're going to start with the Series 3. And we're just going to open it.
Please be the one.
If this is the rare Stitch, I will crack up. It is not. It is Tinkerbell. We have Tinkerbell.
Look at how cute she is.
In this series, there is a Stitch.
There is. It's a regular.
Yes. And luck has shined upon us today.
Unless you get 20 of them.
You chattering cuttlefish, please do not curse me.
The next one is Stitch I'm running.
It is not. It is a Dalmatian.
That is Rolly?
Polioli. He's
It's
small.
either
and
Rolly
short
or
and
Lucky.
round.
I forget because of the patch. It's been a while since I've
Yes.
seen Dalmatians.
But since I am not my mother's child, and by the way, if you tried to guess these through the package, you are stupid. Because these just squish. Oh, we got Simba! Wait, we're doing pretty well so far. We got a bunch of different ones.
Don't jinx yourself.
I've already got 4 different ones, so... Did I jinx myself? No, I didn't.
Oh, it's Marie.
Marie!
From the Arista. Oh, her
Aristokitties.
the face.
Okay. Anybody want to guess this one? Let me know in the comments below before I rip it open. Up!
It's Minnie.
Minnie Mouse.
Oh, and look at her little tail on her tush.
So I'm really looking at these because we already got Stitch. I want to get Pooh and Tigger.
I want Nala for you.
Oh, Nala's cute, yeah. Oh, but they got Cheshire too. Who do we get? The White Rabbit!
None of the ones you mentioned.
Okay, we've got 2 left.
I wonder if they're just one per case.
We got Nala.
Okay.
And who's let's check the last one. Susan, do you want to do the honors?
Who you think it is?
I want Cheshire. I really do. Pooh! So we got Mama's favorite.
See, you've got...
These all must have been pulled out of the same case.
I'm going to say yes because you opened up 3, 6, 7, 8 of the Series 2 and 1 of Series 3, and you did not get one duplicate.
That is what we call Lady Luck. Well, I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. Tally-ho! Away we go. Goodbye.
And pip-pip-de-doodly-doo.
Yes. Goodbye, everyone.